Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
And I'm David. Thanks for spending part of your day with us. Whether you're listening while walking, driving, cooking, or just resting, we're glad you're here.
You know, David, I was thinking before we started recording today, there's something very special about simple conversations.
I agree. The kind of conversations that don't seem special at first, but actually shape our daily lives.
Exactly, the small moments, the "are you free" moments, the "what are you doing this weekend" moments.
The moments where real life happens.
Yes, and those moments are exactly where real English lives too.
That's such a good way to say it. Real English doesn't live in textbooks. It lives in invitations, in plans, in hesitations, in and maybe, and that sounds nice.
And today, that's what we want to talk about, making plans in English. Simple plans, friendly plans, the kind of conversations you can have with a friend, a coworker, or even someone you're just getting to know.
And we're not just going to explain phrases. We want to live inside the conversation a little.
Yes, let it feel human, because language is emotional, it's social, it's about connection.
You know, I remember when I first realized how hard making plans in another language can be.
Oh, tell me.
I was living abroad, and my grammar was okay, my vocabulary was okay, but when someone said, "Hey, do you want to hang out this weekend?" my brain just froze.
That freezing feeling, so many learners know it.
Exactly. I knew the words weekend and want and you, but I didn't know how to flow. I didn't know how to sound relaxed.
And sounding relaxed is often harder than being correct.
So true. Because you don't want to sound too formal, you don't want to sound strange, and you definitely don't want to sound rude.
And sometimes people think, if I don't speak perfectly, I shouldn't speak at all.
Which is the biggest mistake.
Yes, and today I really want our listeners to feel permission to speak simply, permission to speak imperfectly.
Because real conversations are imperfect.
They are. Let's imagine a very normal situation. You want to invite a friend somewhere.
Maybe the park, or a cafe, or just for a walk.
Right. And in English, one of the most natural questions is, are you free on Saturday?
I love that phrase because it's polite and gentle.
And notice the word free. It doesn't mean free like money.
It means available, not busy.
And culturally, in English-speaking countries, this question respects the other person's time.
It gives them space to say yes or no.
Exactly. And if someone answers, I think so, that's very interesting.
Because it's not a strong yes.
It's a soft yes, a maybe yes.
And native speakers use that all the time.
All the time. And beginners often think, why not just say yes?
But language is emotional. I think so means I'm open, but let me hear your idea first.
And then comes the question, why?
Which isn't rude at all in this context.
Not at all. It simply means, what's your plan?
And this is where the future tense comes in so naturally. I'm going to the park.
I love going to because it feels friendly and real.
It's a decision already made.
Yes, it's not just an idea, it's a plan.
And then comes one of my favorite invitations in English. Do you want to come?
It's warm, it's open, it's not pressure.
It doesn't demand an answer immediately.
And culturally, that's important. English invitations are often soft.
Very soft. You don't push.
Now, when someone responds with excitement, I love the park, that emotional reaction matters.
Because English speakers often show enthusiasm verbally.
Yes, saying, I love that, or that sounds great, is part of the social dance.
And what time is the practical next step?
Time and place. Always time and place.
And when someone says around 2 p.m., That word around is doing a lot of work.
It's flexible.
It says, don't worry, we're not strict.
And flexibility is very valued socially.
Especially in casual friendships.
Then there's the word maybe.
Oh, I love maybe.
It keeps things light.
Maybe we'll get ice cream. It's an idea, not a promise.
And when someone says, that sounds perfect, that's emotional connection.
It says, I like your idea and I like you.
Yes, language always carries emotion.
And then we move into confirmation. I'll see you on Saturday.
That's interesting because now we use will.
A decision made in the moment.
It feels final, but friendly.
And then comes another very real question. Where can we meet?
So practical and so necessary.
And let's meet at is such a useful structure.
Let's feels inclusive.
It feels like a shared decision.
And when someone says, I know it, good idea, that's agreement.
Simple, clear agreement.
Then there's that funny moment, it's a date.
Ah, yes, English humor.
Because date can be romantic or not.
And joking about it actually builds closeness.
And calling someone silly in this context is affectionate.
Not negative at all.
You know what's interesting, David?
What?
All of these phrases are simple. There's no advanced grammar here.
But together, they create a full, rich conversation.
That's the magic of real English.
And when learners practice this kind of conversation, something shifts.
They stop translating.
They start responding.
They feel confident.
And confidence changes everything.
I want to tell our listeners something important.
Go ahead.
You don't need perfect English to make real connections.
You need courage.
You need practice.
And you need kindness toward yourself.
So here's our gentle invitation to you.
Yes, an invitation.
This week, try to make a simple plan in English.
Even just in your mind.
Or out loud alone.
Or with a real person.
Say, I'm going to.
Say, are you free?
Say, that sounds nice.
And if you make a mistake,
smile.
Because mistakes mean you're learning.
And every conversation, no matter how small, moves you forward.
We'd love to hear your stories.
Tell us what you're going to do this weekend.
Even one sentence is enough.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Keep listening, keep speaking.
And remember, English is not just a language.
It's a bridge.
See you next time.
Bye for now.